Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the life and works of Thomas Sackville. Introduction. Thomas Sackville, or Earl of Dorset, was born in 1536 at Buckhurst in Sussex. He was educated at both Oxford and Cambridge, receiving a comprehensive education that prepared him for a career in law and politics. In 1553, Sackville settled in London and began his studies at the Inner Temple, one of the Inns of Court, where he trained as a barrister. Political career. Sackville's political career began in earnest when he entered Parliament in 1558. He quickly rose through the ranks, becoming Lord Buckhurst in 1566 and being appointed to the Privy Council in 1585. He played significant roles in various diplomatic and public missions, including conveying the death sentence to Mary, Queen of Scots in 1586. Despite periods of disfavor with Queen Elizabeth I, Sackville was eventually restored to prominence, becoming Lord High Treasurer in 1599 and Earl of Dorset in 1604. Literary contributions, early works and collaborations. Although Thomas Sackville's literary output was not extensive, it was highly influential. His early works included contributions to A Mirror for Magistrates 1563, a collection of verse tragedies. Sackville's notable poems, The Induction and The Complaint of Henry, Duke of Buckingham, are characterized by their melancholy tone, use of rhyme royal stanza, and grandiose language reminiscent of Chaucer. The Induction. The Induction is particularly notable for its somber, allegorical journey through the underworld. The poem's vivid descriptions and imaginative power had a significant impact on later poets, including Edmund Spenser. Here are few stanzas illustrating the poem's dark graphical power. And next in order, sad, old age we found. His beard all hoar, his eyes hollow and blind, with drooping chair still peering on the ground, as on the place where nature him assigned to rest, when that the sisters had untwined his vital thread and ended with their knife the flatting course of fast declining life. Gorboduc. In collaboration with Thomas Norton, Sackville wrote the tragedy Gorboduc 1561, the first English play written in blank verse. This play, dealing with political rivalry and its consequences, set a precedent for English drama and influenced later playwrights including William Shakespeare. Diplomatic missions and public service. Throughout his career, Sackville undertook numerous diplomatic missions, including several to France and The Hague. He was instrumental in various state trials and played a key role in the execution of Mary, Queen of Scots. Despite occasional disfavor with Elizabeth I, he continued to serve in high-ranking positions, ultimately being appointed Lord High Treasurer for life by James I in 1604. Personal life and legacy. Sackville married Cicely Baker in 1555, and the couple had 7 children. His vast wealth and status enabled him to acquire numerous properties, including the magnificent Knole House in Kent. Sackville's contributions to literature, particularly his poetry and the play Gorboduc, left an enduring legacy in English literature. His works are remembered for their grandeur, depth, and influence on subsequent writers. Conclusion. Thomas Sackville, Earl of Dorset, was a multifaceted figure whose contributions to politics, diplomacy, and literature was significant during the Elizabethan era. His poetic works, though few in number, were influential in shaping the course of English literature, and his political and diplomatic efforts helped shape the history of England during a tumultuous period. Sackville's legacy as both a statesman and a poet endures, reflecting his importance in the cultural and political landscape of his time. So this was the discussion on the life and works of Thomas Sackville, the Earl of Dorset. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.